ከዚህ በመቀጠል ንግግር የሚያደርጉልን ደግሞ የሶማሊያ ፌደራላዊ ሪፐብሊክ ፕሬዝዳንት የሆኑት ክቡር ሐሰን ሼክ መሐሙድ ናቸው። እሳቸውን በአክብሮት እንጋብዛለን።
I now call upon His Excellency Mr. Hassan Sheikh Mahmoud, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia. Your Excellency.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. His Excellency Haile Mariam Desalegn, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Excellencies, Heads of States and Governments, distinguished participants, Her Excellency Azab Madaxweyne, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to be here with you today in paying tribute to the late Prime Minister of Ethiopia, His Excellency Meles Zenawi, at this memorial event dedicated to his legacy and achievements on the first anniversary of his passing. Let me take this opportunity to thank the people and the government of Ethiopia for inviting us to this memorial event and the warm welcome accorded to me and my delegation here in Addis Ababa. On behalf of the federal government and the people of Somalia, let me begin to express my gratitude and appreciation to Ethiopia for the relentless efforts, dedication and the sacrifices to assist Somalia in bringing peace and stability. It is very clear to all of us that late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi was a great African leader that left legacy and achievements which we all need to sustain and continue to his legacy as a model for our renaissance as an Africa. Ethiopia has been very supportive to Somalia, and in particular, my friend, the current Prime Minister of Ethiopia, His Excellency Haile Mariam Desalegn, continues to help and assist my country, which we are very grateful, and I wish to indicate that your commitment as a sustained company in support of our agendas, policies and priorities are more critical now than ever, with an aim to see an end of the insecurity and instability in Somalia. I have no doubt that the current political and security progress in Somalia will lead to all of us working together on the development issues that can bring economic growth, which in turn can provide the necessary benefits for all citizens of the greater Horn of Africa as part of the legacy of late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi. Excellencies and distinguished participants, we need to look back and see all the achievements that Ethiopia has been making for the last 2 decades under the leadership of late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi, such as the infrastructure, the human resources development, economic growth, and mega development projects which include farming and industrialization in this country. I am very confident that under the leadership of the current Prime Minister, Ethiopia will continue to enhance the legacy and the achievements of the late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi. In Somalia, we are working very hard to bring peace and stability with the help of our African brothers, and we aim to have a Somalia that's in peace and stable, which is the interest of our people and the interests of the region and the continent and the world at large. We are very much grateful on the initiation of this process by the late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi. Your sacrifices to our country are well appreciated, and the fight against extremism is not over yet. So our collective leadership as you now have a genuine partner, a legitimate federal government in Somalia, we thank you for your encouragement, support and assistance to see our vision in Somalia, which is a peaceful Somalia, peace with itself, the sub-region and the region and far afront. A vision that can support the global fight against extremism, poverty and natural disasters with our with other brothers in the region. We came a long way to this date, and I have no doubt if we continue our collective desire to develop our region, it will be part and paramount legacy of the late Prime Minister Meles Zenawi. Together, we can overcome all the challenges that exist today. Thanks a lot for giving me this golden opportunity, and hope that we will reflect back and recognize the legacy and the achievement of our late brother Meles Zenawi, and to build on his legacy and the successes, so that we will have a region that is continually making huge progress in every field of human life and dignity. Finally, I would like to thank His Excellency Haile Mariam Desalegn, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, for inviting us to this wonderful memorial event, and I wish Ethiopia all the best to enhancing the legacy and the achievement of our late brother Meles Zenawi. I thank you.